This is our Dual 916 saw. Pretty quiet. You can adjust the feed right there. Go down. It's going to go down first, and we're going to show you how this stop works. It's going to automatic feed. It's going to raise it back up. It's going to feed in to where it's the limit, and it's going to kick on. And down. We don't have the coolant in there. We're just going to show you how it cuts. It's got variable speed. We can speed it up. We can slow it down. Flip that up. Comes up till it hits the limit. Comes with a big conveyor.